Lady Ada, new products to show them real fast, and then we'll have just time for just a few questions. We're all chatty.
Well, we had a lot to talk about. We were at Apex for 4 days.
Yeah.
We just took a lot more photos. We'll put them up later.
What are the new products here?
Well, we have a nice little mini cable. So this is a dual cable. It has a mini and a micro end. Because we have a lot of stuff with mini and we have a lot of stuff with micro. And I kind of felt bad that we should have a cable that does both. So it's a little portable cable, and it's got a USB-A, so it plugs into your computer, multi-use, or whatever. And then we have a micro connector on one end and a mini connector on the other end. And there's no hub in it, so you can only connect one at a time. But whichever one you need, you can connect. So, for example, if I have a Leonardo, I'd use the micro, and if I had a Flora, I'd use the mini. And so you can connect one. You can use them for data or charging. If you're using for charging, you can connect both at the same time. But for data, you can only use one. Otherwise, they won't work.
Okay. Next
nice
up.
Cable.
Kind of big announcement. This is a big new product for us.
Yeah, before I got on this plane, I rushed and put this product in the store. It's the ultimate GPS shield. So
fully assembled.
Fully assembled. Really excited about this because we have the ultimate GPS module, and we also had the GPS shield. The problem with the GPS shield is it was using an older module, the EM406. It was expensive. It was big. It was not what I would consider a really great module. And people really like the Ultimate GPS, and they kept asking us, how can I use the Ultimate GPS module with the GPS shield? And like, oh, well, you can't really, and I guess we should make it so it does. So I redesigned the shield. It's like tons better. It's got a micro SD slot, reset button, tons of prototyping space. It's got a switch that will change it from direct to soft serial using pins 7 and 8, so it works on a Leonardo. I designed this after the Leonardo came out, which means that it'll work with the Leonardo out of the box. It doesn't quite work with the Mega because the Mega doesn't have soft serial, but I'll be posting up instructions on how to make it work with the Mega at some point. It's got the Ultimate GPS module, a bunch of LEDs, coin cell for the real-time clock backup. So if you use that, you'll be able to have the real-time clock save time for like 7 years. And one of the nice things about the Ultimate GPS is it can use an external antenna. So this is an antenna built in, and it works great. But let's say you're like, I want to have this in a box, and it's waterproof, or under a car or something. So there's a little UFL connector, and you can connect an antenna, and maybe we have a photo of it with the antenna connected. Thanks, Phil. So you can see, you can connect an antenna using a little UFL adapter we sell in the store, and then you can have this powerful antenna, and it's magnetic, you can stick it anywhere. And yeah, it's a great upgrade to the GPS data logger shield, but now surface mount, ready to go.
Is the RTC embedded in the GPS or a separate chip?
The RTC is in the GPS, but the battery is external. So it's why there's a coin cell. It comes with it.
All right, so that was new products.